If you have any questions or need help on a specific problem or project, please do not hesitate to contact me at ambrosia.excel@gmail.com, and I will see what I can do to help. So let's hop straight into an example, and hopefully this will make more sense. So we have this table called load timings, which in this example could be used during, say, for example, an ETL process. And what we would be looking to do is drop the date time into this table whenever something happens. So if we were to do this into a query, it would look something a little bit like this: insert into load timings, timestamp, and then this get date here. So whenever we run this, obviously, it means when we have a look here, we can see that timestamp is being added, and we can run this, 3 times, 5 times, whatever. And then when we look at this table, we can see it's been added in each time. But what if this is a much more complex query and we don't want to be referencing this over and over again throughout some sort of load process? What we can do is we can add this into a stored procedure, and it will make it look a lot easier. And it will make it a lot easier to read and a lot easier to reference. So how do we do this? Simply type in create or alter procedure, and then whatever you want your procedure to be called, I'm going to call it log load as, and then you have this query right here. As you can see, it's been completed successfully. And now if we want to call this procedure right here, we simply do exec and then the name of the procedure, which is log load. If we run this, it does the exact same thing. And if we take a look at this load timings table, we see that the 6th one has been added. If we execute this again, we see the 7th one has been added, so on and so forth. So this is really, really useful. But what if, for example, we had a table that looked a little bit like this instead? So load timings 2 has got an ID, a timestamp, and then has a table name in. So you might want to use this if loading a table in from a different DB, and you would like to write the timestamp to a log table when that table load has completed. So let's create this table. We'll hop in and we'll have a look at what this might look like. If we wanted to insert into this table, we might look a little bit like this. Insert into load timings 2, and then say, for example, we want to insert sales in there. We could run this. And if we run this, we'll see that that sales table has been loaded in right there. And we do the same thing with marketing, obviously. Say, for example, marketing table has been loaded in. Run this one more time, and then see it's been added in right here. So in this case, obviously, we could create a procedure log load. Sorry, we'll do create or alter procedure log load 2. And then we do as, and then insert into here. But what we really want to be able to do is use this procedure over and over again for different sorts of tables. So what we do is we'd add a parameter in here. So after the name of the procedure, just type in the @ sign, table name, and then as, and then whatever data type you want to use. This time mine's going to be a varchar 50. It's the exact same thing, and now instead of referencing this here, we'll just change it to the variable name. Let's run that. And now, if we want to execute it, we do exec name of the table, name of the procedure, sorry, and we'll stick the table name in here. So we'll put orders here, run that, and we'll see it pulls through to this table right here. So, hope this helps. Speak to you soon. Bye.